how to work with your calendar, with your Google Calendar for content planning. Not to mix up with your normal planning calendar. And on Google Calendar, you can create different calendars and you can choose to view only one or several at the same time. For this purposes, content calendar, I will create a new one. And it says add another calendar, and you choose create new calendar and you give it a name. In our case, it will be content calendar. You can put description or not, it doesn't matter. Calendar successfully created. So we go back. You can see content calendar is created here. Not to mix up with my normal calendar, I choose to view only this. So what we do, we go to National Calendar Day, and based on different dates here, you can add overall topics. So without any thinking, so here it is National, thank God it's Monday Day. I've never heard of it, but it makes sense, and it happens on every Monday of the year. Okay, and we save it. The next one, we go back, and you can read it here also. This is a hashtag that you can use. Okay, and then you go back and see what else is in January. And you need to choose whatever is closer to your hobbies, to your business, what would be interesting to your clients, like National Keto Day. If you're a nutritionist specializing in keto diet, this would be perfect day to use for you. National Technology Day. If you are beauticians, this would be a perfect topic to talk about. National Vision Board Day, and my friend and client does vision boards, and I need to tell her that this is a day. So you get the gist. So you just go through all the days and you add them one by one into your Squirrel Appreciation Day. National Compliment Day, and I'm going to use this one. A National Compliment Day, this is a good way to use it, talking about being kind to each other, right? Or giving and receiving compliments. Then you decide, okay, when your fresh content goes out on your blog, on your website. So I would put new blog post, okay, and then I make it regular. Weekly on Thursday, save. Okay, so if I know that new blog post needs to come out every Thursday, it means that I need to make sure that by Wednesday I write a blog post, and on Wednesdays I have my content creation day, so I am putting writing blogs, and I would also put here that I write 4 blog posts in advance in one day. So I know that I create blog post here. Next Wednesday it can be a video creation day, and it can be, this video can be created based on written blog post, and I record all 4 videos here, for instance. And this is also, it doesn't matter which day you choose, what works for you, but when you start batching your content, then you will see how it works. And then you can put your activity calendar, so it doesn't exclude or cancel your activities, but you can see how to plan your day. For instance, I know that I will never put client days here. I will never work with my clients on Wednesdays because Wednesdays are my content creation days. And this is what you do in advance as well. So when you allocated your main activity blocks, you may add your client work. For instance, because I'm running Facebook ads and um, launches for my clients, I need to make sure that they are not clashing with each other, and everything is taken care of. And based on these topics, I can write a blog post on these topics and allocate time for my client creation. And when you have this tool on Google Calendar, when you can overlap one calendar of another, then it helps. And if I want to focus just on one thing, which is my uh, content calendar, I just remove the clients, and that's it. I hope it helped and you will be using Google Calendar efficiently as your planning and business tool, and have fun with it. If you have any questions, please let me know.